Good morning. Hello, my dear students of Primary 2. Today we're going to take a new lesson, which is subtraction. Can you read this word? It's subtraction. So let's start. We took before how to subtract using money. Now today we want to take how to subtract using modeling or representing for the numbers. Let's start. Now this is my first example. Here he says subtract 35 minus 22. What are we going to do first? Just like we done in addition, we're going to represent 35. So how do we represent 35? It's 3 tens and 5 units. Yes, 5 ones. 3 tens and 5 ones. Okay, now we want to take away 22 from this. Let's start. So we're going to start by our ones. We're going to take 5. We're going to take 2 from the 5. So do we have enough to take? Yes, we have enough to take. So we have 5 and we want to remove 2. So I'm going to remove 2. See, I'm going to remove these 2. Okay, now what do I have left? Yes, I have left 3 ones. Now let's go to the tens. Now I have 3 tens. I want to remove 2. These 2, I'm going to remove these 2. Look at that. It's removed. So what do I have left? 1. Good job. Let's see another example. Now 42 minus 12. 42, represent 42. First I'm going to represent 42. Yes, 4 tens and 2 ones. Now I want to subtract 12. I want to remove 12. Now I'm going to start with the ones. 2 remove 2. So I have only 2. I'm going to remove them. Take away 2. Okay, look at that. I removed. What do I have in my ones? Yes, nothing. So what? How do I write this nothing? 0. Excellent. Good job. Now we go to the tens. Excellent. Good job. What do? I have how many tens? 4 tens. And I'm going to remove 1. So let's remove 1. How many do I have left? 3. Yes, good job. Excellent. Let's see another example. Okay, now we have 64 minus 26. What are we going to do here? We're going to represent, of course. First, we're going to represent 64. So how many tens? How many tens? 6 tens and 4 ones. So we have 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And how many ones? 4 ones. Now, I want to take away or subtract 26. I'm going to start from where? From the ones. Excellent. Good job. From the ones. Now, I have 4 and I want to take 6. Can I take now 6 from these 4? Of course not. I cannot take 6 from 4. Now what shall I do? What shall I do? Let's think. Let's think. Yes, I am. This is what I'm going to do. I thought that I'm going to take from these tens 1 and I'm going to divide them to 10 units. Don't you know that this 10 is 10 units? So let's do that. 10 ones. Now this 10, I'm going to take it and make, so I have now 5 tens and divide this 10 to how many units? How many ones? Small ones. Here, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, how many ones do I have? 10 and 4 make what? 14. 10 and 4 make what? 14. So now I have 14 ones. Now I have 14 ones. Now can I take away the 6 from the 14? Yes, sure. Now I have more than I need. So I'm going to take away the 6. So let's take away 6. We're going to take away 6. These are 6 now? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to remove the 6 because I want to subtract, take away. So remove the 6. How many do I have left from the 14? How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So now I have 8 ones. Now I'm going to turn to the what? The tens. Now I have how many tens? Because I took 1 from them, I had 6, I took 1 from them, so they became what? 5. Now, what am I going to do the tens? I'm going to take away how many? 2. So let's take away 2. So I took 2. How many do I have left? 3. So this is called subtracting with regrouping. I'm going to regroup the 10 to a 10 small ones. 1 10, I'm going to take it and make it 10 small ones. Let's see another example and see and practice more. Now I want you to help me with this problem, primary 2. Now what do I have here? 92 and subtract 48. Now take care what we're doing. We're subtracting. So what am I going to do first? Tell me, what shall I do first? Help me out. Yes, represent the 92. Let's represent it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 tens and 2 ones. 9 tens and 2 ones. Okay, now where do I start? With the ones. Now what shall I do? Now I have 2 ones. Can I take 8? No, because I don't have enough to give you. Okay, what shall we do? What do I do now? I'm going to take from the tens and break it down. Now take this 10 and break it down to how many are these? How many are these? Excellent, they're 10. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 and 2 make what? 12. Excellent. Now tell me something. How many do I have left here? How many tens do I have left? Because I took 1. So I will have 8 tens. And now I have 12 ones. So let's take away the 8. Let's take away the 8 from the 12. Let's mark them, then remove them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I marked 8 small squares, small ones. Now take them out. How many do I have left? I have 4 left. Okay. What's next? Did I finish? Sure not. I didn't finish yet. So let's go to the tens. Now how many tens do I have now? 8. How many am I going to take away? 4. So let's mark them and take them out. These are 4. I took them out. So how many do I have left? Yes, 4. 4. This should be 4. Now I want you to help me do this one, primary 2. Now I have 30. I'm going to take away 15. What's my first step? represent the 30. How do I represent this 30? 3 tens. How many ones? We don't have any ones. Okay, so I represented the 30. Now, where do I start? Yes, 0 minus 5. Now, I don't have anything here. Can I take the 5? No, I don't have anything. Can I take the 5? No, I can't. So what do? I go to the tens, take one of these tens, and break it down to, now the tens became 2. Now this 10, I'm going to break it down to how many? 10 ones. Let's count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this 110 made me 10 ones. Now can I take the 5? Yes. Let's mark them, then take them out. Now I have 10 ones. I'm going to take away 5. These blue ones are 5, yes. So let's take them out. Yes. How many remain? 5. Excellent. 5 ones remain. Now let's go now to the tens. How many tens do I have? 2. They became 2. How many am I going to take away? 1. So I took away 1. How many remain? 1. Excellent. Good job. Now let's do the next problem. Okay, now we want to subtract without using the representation. We can do that as we understood, right? So let's start with our first problem. Here, 64 minus 28. We're going to start by our ones. 4, take away 8. Can I take away 8 from 4? I have only 4 apples. Can I eat 8? No, of course. So what am I going to do? I'm going to borrow 1. I'm going to take 1 from the tens. The tens will become 5. And break this 110 to how many ones? Break this 110 to 10 ones. So 10 and 4, and I had 4, became 14. Now 14 minus 8, 14 take away 8 equals 6. 5 take away 2 equals 3. Yes. Let's do this one. 6 minus 9. I have 6. Can I take away 9? No. So what am I going to do? Take away 1 from these tens. The tens became 7. What did I do with this one? I broke it to 10 ones. So 10 and 6 make what? 16, yes. 10 and 6 make 16. So 16 minus 9 is what? Yes, it's 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 minus 1, yes, it's 6. Good job, primary 2. Let's do. So now we're going to do these two. 98 minus 49. Start with the ones. 8 minus 9. 8 is smaller than 9. I can't take away 9 from the 8. So I'm going to take 1 from the tens. The tens became 8. And the ones became 18. Because I broke this 10. I broke the 10 that I took from here to 10. So this is 18. 18 minus 9 is, yes, remember the doubles? 9 and 9 make 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 and 9 make 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. Good job. Now 8 and 4. 8 minus 4 is 8 minus 4 is 4. So also it's 4 and 4 make 8. The doubles 8, 4 and 4 make 8. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Good job. Now here I'm going to start with the ones. I don't have enough, so I'm going to take from the tens. The tens are 7, so I'm going to, there will be 6. So, and the ones make 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Because of the doubles, 8 plus 8 make 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. And 6 minus 1 is 5. Good job, primary 2. So till we meet again, till next time, goodbye. Stay safe and stay at home.